Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is an English for grade 5. And as you know that we are learning unit number 6 and its title is Traffic Issues. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. And I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. So our today's lecture, my dear teachers, my dear students, lecture number 5, we will learn how we can predict a text through different pictures and topics. Before in English for grade 3, my dear students, we have already learned how we can use pre-reading strategies to predict some words that according to picture and title in unit number 1. Already we have learned, I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So what's our students' learning outcomes today? Use pre-reading strategies to predict the content of a text from topic, picture. So today we are going to get about that how we can judge a topic, a picture. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Fatir, verse number 28. So only those of his servants who have knowledge of these realities with a vision and outlook fear him. Surely Allah is Almighty, most forgiving. So yes, my dear fellow and my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us that, what do you get that? What are realities? Which realities? Those have knowledge, but about which realities? Yes, these realities are that it's our faith that there is a life after death. It's our faith, and we know that there is a day of judgment, and we have to give answerable. We are answerable for all our deeds, actions that we are doing in this world. So it's our firm belief. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is addressing to those people that who have knowledge of these realities, knowledge of these realities. So as a Muslim, we have knowledge, alhamdulillah, it's our iman that we have to face Almighty Allah. So this is that a vision, outlook and fear him. So that's why definitely, because we know that we are answerable for our all actions, so we fear Allah. Him mean, this him is addressing to Allah Almighty. Okay, so let's see now what's our brainstorming activity. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, make pair of students in class provide pictures to each pair. Okay, any picture you can provide, it's up to you. Say them to predict the contents through pictures. Engage whole class in the activity. So enjoy this activity, my dear students. This is very interesting activity for you. So you will have some pictures that I have shown you as a sample. So you can see there is a separate picture, there is also. So what do you get while seeing these pictures? Okay, what do you get? So in this way, my dear teacher, you should provide pictures to students and then check that what they can get according to the pictures. So perform this activity in your class and enjoy. Welcome back, good job. And I hope now you can judge that according to picture. While seeing a picture, we can judge what's going on and what this picture is being shown. Okay, good job. Okay, see there is also a picture, and this is your unit. Okay, what is there in your book? This picture is provided on page number 43, my dear students. So what's going, what happened? I can judge also that there is an accident and people are gathered here. So this picture is showing an road accident. So see that. Pre-reading questions are there. Why should we follow traffic rules? So now what you will say that why should we follow traffic rules? Okay, next is there. Why is it not safe to drive fast, ride a bike without helmet? Okay, why it is not safe? What do you think? What happened if a driver will drive fast, if a motorcycle will have, that rider will have no helmet? So what would happen? Good job, definitely there might be an accident. Okay, their life will be in danger. So now we are going to start our chapter. Okay, there is page number 44, my dear students, open, and we are going to start from first dialogue. Two persons are there, Shahroz and Taha. Okay, two persons are there and they are discussing something. So let's see what they are discussing. Shahroz, Assalamu alaikum Taha. What is the matter? Why have so many people gathered here? Taha, Walaikum Salam. A few minutes ago, a wagon and a motorcycle collided with each other. Shahroz, but how did the accident take place? Okay, they both are discussing an incident that they have recently seen. So which was incident? That a wagon and a motorcycle collided with each other. Collided with each other. What is the word collide mean? Hit by accident when moving. Okay, hit by accident when moving. So they both were collided with each other. So now they are discussing about that. So next is Taha, the wagon driver was driving very fast and carelessly. Shahroz, it means the main reason of the accident is wagon drivers overspeeding. Taha, yes, you're right. But motorcycle rider did not wear a helmet at the time of accident. It caused severe injuries to the rider. So have you got that? This paragraph is also telling because wagon driver was driving fast and carelessly without seeing here and there. He was driving so fast, rash driving. And Taha is also telling that motorcycle rider has, what does it have? He did not have helmet. That's why he was badly injured. Okay. Next, Shahroz, that is why my father always uses helmet and keeps his scooter at a safe distance from other vehicles. Taha, my father drives his car within the speed limit. He is always very careful. Shahroz, the easiest way to avoid accidents is to follow traffic rules and take safety measures on the road. Taha, you're right. Okay, now they are also giving suggestion also that how we can. Shahroz is telling that my father always wear his bike in a nice way and carefully. Always he wears helmet. And Taha is also discussing that his father has a car and he always drives carefully and he always follow traffic rules. Now they are suggesting us that how we can avoid from accidents on the road when we will follow traffic rules. Okay, so that's why we can discuss and we can avoid ourselves by accidents. So have you got, my dear students? Okay, now we are going to move towards an activity. It's activity time. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, what you have to do? Make pair of students in class. Each pair will read the dialogue with correct pronunciation and accuracy and fluency according to the punctuation rules. Engage the whole class in this activity. So till that we have already led, my dear students. So yes, my dear teacher, you will get students into pairs and you will call them in front of class. So they will read that half dialogue that we have done with correct pronunciation and fluency without any break. Okay, you will give them a time limit. Okay, 2-3 minutes you can give. Let's see that how much time they will take. Okay, pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Oh, welcome back, and I hope students have done it with nicely and excitedly. Good. So next is you have to do individual activity in your notebooks. Question number 1, answer the following questions. Question number A and B you have to do in your notebook under your teacher's supervision. So welcome back and excellent job. I hope you have done it because just 2 questions were there and you have learned also it nicely. Good job. So what's our homework? What you have to do, my dear students, discuss with your parents and write 5 main causes of road accidents in your notebooks. So what you have to do, you have to discuss with your parents at home that which are the main causes of getting road accidents. After collecting information, what you will do, you will have to write these 5 causes in your notebooks. Okay, this is your activity and also this is your written homework too. So my dear fellow teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You may click it and provide it to your students in printed form and see that how they can comprehend a paragraph. Okay, so what we have learned today, we read that how we can predict the text through topic and pictures, and in this way we have covered up our SLO. Use pre-reading strategies to predict the content of a text from topic or pictures. So excellent job, we have done with it, and we have completed our half lesson, half text reading. And with a half text reading, see you tomorrow inshallah, we will complete our text. So till that time, take care of yourself and be blessed always. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.